Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, in the battle of Uhud, when the people fled away, leaving the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam alone, Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu, taking a shield, acted as his screen. Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu was an expert shooter, and his bow was extremely strong. That day 2 or 3 bows broke at his hand. When anyone passed before him carrying a quiver, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked him to put it before Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu. The transmitter says, when the Prophet raised his head in order to inspect the infidels, Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu would submit, "May my parents be sacrificed for you. Don't raise your head, lest any arrow of the infidels should strike you. Here is my chest right in front of your chest." I saw Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the daughter of Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, and Hazrat Sulaim radiyallahu anha, with their clothes hedged up, which had exposed the ornaments of their calves. They both would bring the water skins full of water on their backs and offer it to the thirsty to drink. They would again go back and fetch water and offer it to the thirsty people to drink. Moreover, the sword fell off Hazrat Abu Talha radiyallahu anhu hand twice or thrice. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4064.